Hi, today we're going to be talking about how to transform variables using SPSS. You'll want to transform variables when you're trying to recode variables so that the answer choices are different than what the participant already had chosen. So for example, if I'm trying to score a nutrition knowledge test, then I may want to recode my variables to show if the participant got it correct or if they got it incorrect. This will allow me to be able to calculate their percentage that they got correct that I'll want to use in my data analysis. Continue watching for the steps on SPSS for how to transform your variables. To transform variables, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on Transform. From Transform, a drop-down will occur, and you'll click on Recode into different variables. This will open the dialog box. Because we want to change our variables from whatever the respondents chose to whatever is the correct answer, we're going to need to recode them. So we're going to look for the variable that we want to recode, and in this case it's going to be QID 25_1, and we're going to move it over. We're then going to rename it, so it's going to be QID 25_1R to show that it's a revised variable. Now, since we have the exact same variable in the post survey, we're also going to look for PID 25_1 to be able to recode it in the same time, because the codes will be the same for the two variables. If you're recoding a variety of variables that are all going to have the same new codes, you can move all of them over at once, so you do it at one time. Once we hit change, we're going to click on old and new values. This is going to open up a new dialog box for us. This is where we'll actually change the answer choices. So in this case, 1 is true, and all of the rest of the items is going to be incorrect. So we're going to recode 1 as 1, and we're going to recode the other items they could have chosen, 2, 3, and 4, as 0 to show that those were incorrect answers. We're going to hit continue, and then we're going to hit OK. You have now changed those variables, and you can check by going to the end of your data sheet, and you should see 2 new variables that you've just recoded.